The following video is a Haas VF1 CNC Vertical Machining Center. Jake is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Okay, so first I'm going to jog around the axes. We'll start with the x-axis. Now I'll do the y-axis. And now the z-axis. Next I'll demonstrate the spindle. So we're going to start off, the machine's in high gear now, so I'm going to shift it into low gear and we'll start the spindle up at 150 RPM. Machine shifting. Spindle is on and operating at 150 RPM. Now I'm going to step up to 1500 RPM and you'll see it shift. Spindle's on and operating at 1500. Step it up to 2500. Now it'll shift. 1500 wasn't high enough. So it's shifted, it's operating in high gear at 2500 RPM. Go up to 7500. And this machine is a max of 10,000, so I'll step it up to 10,000. Spindle's on, operating at 10,000 RPM. Last I'll show a tool change. I'm going to shift to tool 10. Now I'll go back to tool 1. There you go.
Again, the preceding video is a Haas VF1 CNC Vertical Machining Center.